Good morning all of you. Good morning. Myself Professor Pranita Marudkar on the behalf of BBACA and RJSPM College. I would like to welcome you in today's lecture. Today we are going to study regarding the artificial intelligence. Okay. You are the TY student. As you are BCA student, you have new subject, that is the recent trends in IT in 6th sem. Okay. So in recent trends in IT, what we are seeing, actually we are seeing the different technologies. First of all, that we have to know what is artificial intelligence. It is the actually 5th generation of computer. Okay. So artificial intelligence, basically what is artificial intelligence? See here, this is the content of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? How is machine learning related? Then examples of artificial intelligence. What are the problems can AI solve and disadvantages of artificial intelligence? This is the index of artificial intelligence that we are going to study. First of all, we have to see what is the artificial intelligence. Okay, definition of artificial intelligence. Then in artificial intelligence, we are using the term machine learning. It is the branch of that artificial intelligence. So what is the machine learning? Then examples of artificial intelligence. Some example we are going to study. Then problems that AI can solve, means some are the problems that are impossible for the human being to solve. So we are using the technology artificial intelligence, and as we have the advantages, as we have the new technology, as well as disadvantages of AI is also more, that we have to study. Okay. So see, this is the definition of AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. Okay. So artificial intelligence is the ability for a computer to think, learn and simulate the human mental process, such as perceiving, reasoning and learning, and it can also independently perform the complex tasks that once required human input. What is the meaning of that definition? Artificial intelligence is the ability of computer, means we are going to give, or we are going to provide some logic, we are going to provide our logic or our emotions to the machine, because machine is the machine. It doesn't have its own brain. कुठल्याही मशीनला स्वतःचं डोकं नसतं. मशीनला कोणी बनवलंय? ह्युमन बीइंगनी. ओके. सो मशीनला जर स्वतःचं ब्रेन असतं तर ह्युमन बीइंगची गरज पडली असती का? नाही. बरोबर आहे. सो आपण काय करणार आहे की जे असे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहे वर्ल्ड मधले की ज्याला सॉल्व्ह करणं इम्पॉसिबल आहे, दॅट प्रॉब्लेम्स कॅन नॉट बी सॉल्व्ह बाय द ह्युमन बीइंग. सो वी आर टेकिंग द हेल्प ऑफ मशीन, but with the help of using the user brain किंवा using the human brain. ह्युमन स्वतःचं जे ब्रेन आहे, स्वतःचं जे लॉजिक आहे ते कोणाला देणार आहे? मशीनला. का? तर ह्युमनकडे लिमिटेशन्स आहे. बरोबर आहे. थोडंसं काम केलं की आपण लगेच टायर्ड होतो. बरोबर आहे. आपली एक लिमिट असते. आय कॅन नॉट वर्क कंटिन्युअसली फॉर 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours. After some time period my body getting tired. Okay. But machine is the machine. It is not tired. It doesn't have some limitation. So we are making the combination of human logic, human brain and machine. ठीक आहे. सो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स इज द ॲबिलिटी फॉर कम्प्युटर. कम्प्युटरला काय करायला लावणार आहे आपण? थिंक करायला लावणार आहे. ॲबिलिटी टू थिंक, learn and simulate the human mental processes. Means simulate means it will process the human logic, such as perceiving, reasoning and learning. Means getting, reasoning and learning. It can also independently perform the complex task. It is also used for performing the complex operations which are not possible for the human being and that once required to human input. पण या सगळ्यांना काय लागणार आहे? Human input. Input should be provided from the human being. Okay. Next, how does the machine learning related to AI? Just I told you machine learning, because this term is very important in the field of artificial intelligence. Okay, we are going to study artificial intelligence with the help of machine learning. So what is machine learning? Actually machine learning, or basically machine learning, it is the branch of artificial intelligence. Machine learning हे काय आहे? It is the branch of artificial intelligence. Machine learning also have the different branches, that is the deep learning, natural language processing. Okay, but machine learning, it is the term which is used in the artificial intelligence. So the terms artificial intelligence and machine learning are frequently used interchangeably. Machine learning is a subset of AI. मी तुम्हाला आत्ता सांगितलं, just I told you, that is machine learning is the branch of artificial intelligence. Okay, because machine learning means what? AI is the technology. Okay, but it is the technology. For that we have to use some algorithms, because coding is not possible for large or complex problem. Human cannot make the coding. Okay, so for that purpose we are using the machine learning. In machine learning we are trying to solve the larger problem with the help of algorithms. बरोबर आहे. आपण त्याच्यामध्ये प्रोग्रामिंग देत नाही, आपण काय ट्राय करतो? Try to solve the complex problem by using the algorithms. Okay, we are using the different types of algorithms. We are providing as a input to the machine. What we are giving machine as a input? Algorithms. After processing it will give the output. Okay, so artificial intelligence signifies computers general ability to mimic means, what is the meaning of mimicry? Duplications. Okay, means trying to do the same thing. I said na, I am doing the mimicry of such a person, means I am trying to repeat the same thing that person will do. बरोबर आहे की नाही? So mimic human thought while carrying out task in a real world environment. At the time of real world environment, when we are trying to solve the complex problem, then what artificial intelligence? It will do the, or it is the ability to mimic the human being. Okay, robot, you know the robot, he trying to do the activity like a human being. I will give you an example in next slide. It should have one example. Then machine learning implies to the technologies and algorithm that allow the system to recognize, this is the important, pattern, make decision and improve themselves through experience and data. Okay, pattern recognition, it is again the type of, when you have the, for example, our cardiology, x-ray of our cardiology, or what we can say that ECG, that should have some what we can say that it is the graphical structure. Okay, so how this graphical structure should be read? It is called as the pattern recognition. Okay, how it can be analyzed by using the technique that is called as the pattern recognition. Okay, so pattern recognition make decisions and improve themselves through experience and data. Next one. Now see, these are the examples, okay, where we are using the AI. Where we are using the AI? See here, virtual assistants. All of you know the word Alexa. Example is Alexa. All of you know the example of Alexa. Okay, just we are giving the command and she or he will do the thing that we need. Okay, then autonomous vehicle, automatic vehicle, electric vehicle, automatic vehicle that don't have any, we don't have to set the gears. It should have the automatic gears. Okay, then chatbot, you are using that chatbot, ChatGPT. Okay, then e-commerce, in e-commerce we are using all the transaction electronically, we are doing all the transaction electronically, e-banking, net banking, e-seva. Okay, then after recommendation system, okay, it is also work as assistant. Navigation map, you are using that. Then facial recognition. Facial recognition means in crime, what we can say that in crime department, टू फाइंड आउट द फेस, जसं फिंगरप्रिंट असतात तसं फेस रेकग्निशन सुद्धा असतं, की आपल्या मोबाईलला असतं ना, वी आर सेटिंग द पासवर्ड बाय फेस रेकग्निशन और सेटिंग द पासवर्ड or pattern, बरोबर आहे. So face recognition system means some rays are inserted on our face and after that it will read the data, means input is given from our face to the device and device will process it and give the output whether you are a authorized person or not. Got it? Then after text editors, okay. Now see, this is the example of robot. This robotics, it is the very popular field, very all of you know that field, okay. All of you seen that movie of robot, okay. What will happen in that movie? A person or human being trying to give the knowledge or to provide the logic to the machine. After that, when this machine get fully prepare, after that he will trying to dominate that person, because after some time if the emotions are getting to the machine, सपोज जर मशीनला इमोशन्स आल्या काही दिवसानंतर तर आपली गरज पडेल का? त्या मूवीमध्ये तेच झालेलं आहे, सगळ्यांनी बघितलेलं आहे. काय झालंय की आफ्टर सम ड्युरेशन और आफ्टर सम टाइम पीरियड ॲक्च्युली some person is continuously work on that machine, he is continuously trying to give some input to that machine, and after giving the input that machine becomes the intelligent, brilliant, and after some time he will automatically think itself, he get the emotions, and after some time when he will get emotions, that after that time what will happen, he will try to carry the human being, he will try to destroy the human being, okay. Means this is actually the fifth generation of computer. We are continuously saying that fifth generation of computer is developing stage, it is not developed. Why? Because if this stage is developed, then this will be happen, human being can be destroyed, most of the job will be destroyed. For that purpose our fifth generation is not completely developed, it is in developing stage, okay. For example, this is the robot, Sophia is the name of robot. See here, this is the robot, every part becomes the every part consists of some hardware, okay. It is actually the machine, but human feel like it is the woman, okay, drapery, her face, whatever, okay. After that, world's first robot, Sophia is the world first robot, okay. That robot Sophia is a realistic humanoid robot capable of displaying human like expressions, okay, and interacting with the people. He is actually interacting with the people, means shake hands and whatever, say thanks and give something to the person, all that thing he is doing like a human being, okay. Then it is designed for research, education and entertainment and helps promote the public discussions, okay, about the AI ethics and future of the robotic. It is the Sophia is the first robot which should have its own emotions, बरोबर आहे. तुम्ही एक ऐकलं असेल, मला माहिती नाही आता तुम्हाला किती माहिती आहे, पण पुण्यामध्ये एक हॉटेल आहे, I actually forget the name of that hotel. That hotel should have the some robots and they are serving to the customers. एक रोबोट आहे, तो स्वतः सर्व करतो कस्टमरला तिथे गेल्यानंतर. म्हणजे मला वाटतं पुण्याच्या बाहेर आउटसाइडच कुठेतरी आहे ते, ओके. So this is the robot or this is the generation of AI. We can say that it is the implementation of AI, okay. त्यानंतर what type of problem AI can solve, okay. AI can solve, see here, cyber security. Cyber security, as we are using the technology more and more, okay. Security is very important because every day, every second, every minute there are lots of cyber crimes are happen. Cyber crimes are not related to money. It is related with your personal, hacking your personal data, hacking your information, unauthorized access. All that hacking is comes in the category of cyber security. So cyber security is very important. Okay. In this field we are using the AI. Okay. Cryptography we are using encoding and decoding. Who is attended my yesterday's lecture, which is I am conducted in seminar hall. At that lecture I told about the cryptography, encryption and decryption. Okay. Then after healthcare. Okay. हेल्थकेअर सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे की नंबर ऑफ सर्जरीज ज्या ह्युमन बिंगला पॉसिबल नाही आहे किंवा जिथे डॉक्टर्स पोहोचू शकत नाही तिथे आपण काय यूज करतोय, टेक्नॉलॉजीचा यूज करतोय, रोबोटिक टेक्नॉलॉजी और रोबोटिक सर्जरी. ऐकलं असेल आपल्याकडे पुण्यामध्ये बऱ्याचशा हॉस्पिटल्सला अवेलेबल आहे रोबोटिक सर्जरी, बरोबर आहे. देन आफ्टर रिसर्च, इन द फील्ड ऑफ रिसर्च AI इज मोस्ट पॉप्युलर यूज. देन ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन. ओके. ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन मध्ये सुद्धा AI चा गुगल मॅप असेल किंवा AI तुमचं काय म्हणतात त्याला, प्रत्येक बसमध्ये गुगल मॅप असतं किंवा तुमचं हे असतं काय म्हणतात त्याला, लोकेशन. हां, त्याच्यानंतर लोकेशन प्रोव्हाइड करतो तो, दॅट इज नेव्हिगेटर असतं, दॅट इज यूज इन द ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन. ओके. Cyber security, detecting spam, medical record, idea generation and finding the data, and self-driving cars for handicapped persons. Now there is a self-driving cars are there. Okay, means we didn't need to control the device. It will automatically get controlled. It is made for specifically handicapped person. आलंय लक्षात? That is called as the self-driving cars. ठीक आहे. Then after, these are the advantages of AI. What are the advantages? Image and facial recognition, just I told you. It will detect your face expression or after your fingerprints, face recognition, eyes recognition, all that things are there. It is mostly used in the field of research or it is mostly used in the field of healthcare or cyber crimes. Okay. Then after, medical diagnosis, to detect the hidden pattern in imagining, investigation and predict how patient will respond to the specific medication. बरोबर आहे. म्हणजे पेशंटला जर स्पेसिफिक प्रेडिक्शन्स आहेत ते की आता जर सपोज जे काय म्हणतात त्याला की जे डिसीज कधीच कव्हर होऊ शकत नाही, फॉर एक्झाम्पल कॅन्सर होतो पण पहिल्या स्टेजला असेल, लास्ट स्टेजला असेल तर आपल्यालाही माहिती आहे ओके की तो कव्हर होत नाही. मग अशा स्टेजमध्ये पर्टिक्युलर पेशंटचं प्रेडिक्शन, त्याची जी हिस्ट्री असते किंवा त्याची जी करंट सिच्युएशन आहे ते बघून प्रेडिक्शन्सवरती त्यांना काय दिले जातात, मेडिसिन्स दिलेले असतात. ओके. ट्रीटमेंट स्ट्रॅटेजीज फॉर क्लिनिकल एरर्स अँड मोर ॲक्युरेट डायग्नोसिस. ओके. देन कस्टमर सर्व्हिस. आता कस्टमर सर्व्हिस, ऑल ऑफ यू नो दॅट इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम एजंट टू क्लायंट, देन means all the online services that we are used. Then after, recommendation of system. आता याच्यामध्ये बघा recommendation of system मध्ये काय म्हटलेलं आहे, फॉर एक्झाम्पल व्हर्च्युअल सिरी अँड अलेक्सा. ओके. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज द recommendation system. Now as the AI should have advantages as well as it should have the lots of disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages? Lack of transparency, means data transparency is not there. Okay. Bias and discrimination. Okay. Then after, privacy conquers and ethical. Then after, dilemmas and security risk, means security risk is, as we are using the lots of technology, we all are suffer with the term security. बरोबर आहे की नाही. जेवढा आपण टेक्नॉलॉजी वापरतोय तेवढी पूर्वी व्हायचे का अशा गोष्टी, सायबर क्राईम वगैरे व्हायचे पण फार थोड्या प्रमाणात. जसं टेक्नॉलॉजीचा यूज वाढला तसे सायबर क्राईम्स काय झाले, वाढत गेले. ओके. कारण हॅकर पण वाढलेत तेवढंच, कारण हॅकिंग म्हणजे पण काय एक प्रोग्रामच आहे ना शेवटी. ठीक आहे. त्याचे कोर्सेस असतात. डिपेंडन्स ऑन AI अँड जॉब मोस्ट ऑफ द डिसएडवांटेज इज जॉब डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ओके. सपोज one person should do the work of 10 persons. One robot can do the work of 10 person. Then what is the need of human being? No need is there. One person is sufficient. So obviously job displacement, it is the major drawback that we all will suffer from that drawback. Okay, most of the jobs of IT persons are in the risk. Why they are on risk? Because the use of AI, and now new technology is come, that is the AGI, that is called as the artificial general intelligence. It is the advanced that AI पेक्षा पण ती काय आहे, ॲडव्हान्स आहे. त्याच्यामुळे भरपूर लोकांचे जॉब जाण्याचे चान्सेस आहेत. म्हणजे आपल्याकडे लगेच काय इम्प्लिमेंट होणार नाही, बट इट मे बी अ प्रेडिक्टेशन. ओके, how we can use the AI responsibly. Okay, people should use their own creativity, not copy of AI. AI just a tool for efficiency. All of you put in mind that is AI just tool for your efficiency. You don't make the try to make the copy of AI. That is the robot. We are copying the human being, na? But it will destroy the world. बरोबर आहे की नाही? So it is for our efficiency. If we have the large problem, complex problem that we cannot solve, in that purpose we are using or we are taking the help of AI. But you don't make the copy, because we all are educated students, all are educated person. So we are trying to make the copy of AI. That is the example of robot. Okay. Then put people first, minimize unintended bias. याचा मीनिंग होतो की you don't use the technology in both side. Both side म्हणजे काय की you are using that technology for good purpose. Don't use that technology for bad purpose, like hacking, cyber crimes. Okay. Then consider data and privacy goal and ensure AI transparency. So these are the, ठीक आहे, and this is the use of AI. आता हे मी सांगितलेलं आहे, in business we are using the AI, human being use, then identification, develop the explainable, visible across process, function, means it is used in every field, healthcare, education, private sector, government sector, in every field we are using the AI. Okay. So these all are about the AI. Thank you. If you should have any query, you can ask. Ask one of query. You have any query? तुमच्याकडे कर माईक.
मॅम सपोज आता AI साठी जॉब्स आले तर त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करायला पाहिजे?
Actually it is not completely developed, it is in developing stage. It is the prediction, because most of the problems involved, for example I will take the example of healthcare. In healthcare some surgeries are impossible for human being, or it is not properly diagnosed. So in that purpose we are using the technology AGI. It don't have means that just I told you, use the technology, not make the copy. Got it? त्याची कॉपी बनवायची नाही आहे आपल्याला आणि सगळ्यांचे जॉब जातील. आफ्टर ऑल यू पुट इन माइंड वन थिंग, machine is not the natural, it is made by the human being. Human is the person in the world which should have the brain, its own brain, all of having its own brain, but utilization or capacity of that brain, it is more in the case of human beings. So you have to use it properly. Means असं नाही आहे जॉब जातात आहे, it is not the thing. You have to implement that technology properly. Then and that जिथे ह्युमन बिईंग पोहोचू शकत नाही, रिसर्च असेल. फॉर एक्झाम्पल नाव इफ यू आर सीइंग दॅट डिस्कवरी चॅनल, इन दॅट केस यू आर सीइंग दॅट टायटॅनिक, व्हॉट इज द नेम ऑफ दॅट, टायटॅनिक ना? ओके. ते जे त्याचे जे काय पार्ट्स आहेत, त्याला काय प्रॉब्लेम झालेला, काय म्हणजे व्हॉट इज द कॅलॅमिटीज, नॅचरल कॅलॅमिटीज कम्स देअर, फॉर इट इज यूज फॉर AI इज यूज फॉर दॅट रिसर्च पर्पज. तिथे ह्युमन बिंग जाऊ शकतो का? सो वी आर युझिंग द टेक्नॉलॉजी फॉर प्रॉपर पर्पज, देन इट इज गुड. इफ यू आर युझिंग इट फॉर द डिस्ट्रॉईंग, देन इट विल डिस्ट्रॉय. जसं टेक्नॉलॉजी आली तसे जॉब पण वाढले ना तुमचे, बरोबर आहे की नाही? सो यू कॅन, वी हॅव टू टेक इट बॅलन्स्ड, नॉट वन साइडेड. ओके. बंद कर.